Hello everyone, in this short demo I'm showcasing the result of integrating my site's contact form with Slack using a webhook. And let's just go to my contact page and we'll just send a test form submission here. So I'll just type in these fields. And immediately I get pinged and we see the message came through. So now when someone fills out the form, their message is pushed directly into a private Slack channel. There's no delays, no emails sitting in an inbox, none of that. So behind the scenes, let me just quickly show you. I've wired this through a lightweight webhook integration that formats and sends the data instantly. So it's rather simple, but it does make my system feel connected and responsive. And you might be asking, well, why does this matter? For me, this means I get pinged instantly on my phone the moment someone fills out the form. There's no digging through inboxes, no missed messages, just real-time visibility. And that enables me to respond right away wherever I am. If this kind of smart real-time integration is something you'd like to implement for your own business, whether it's to streamline lead capture, improve response time, or connect systems you already use, feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to explore how we can bring it to life for you. Thanks for watching.